How to start a business, launch a brand, and benefit from owning a registered trademark. Course goal: to equip entrepreneurs and small business owners with the foundational knowledge to legally form a business, understand the value of their brand, and begin the process of registering a trademark without the need for an attorney. Target audience: small business owners, startups, freelancers, content creators, and entrepreneurs. Course duration: 3 hours. Module 1, The Foundation, Hour 1. Topic: Business and Brand Basics. 1.1. Defining your brand and business, 15 minutes. Lesson: a brand is more than just a name or a logo. It's the reputation and value you build with your customers. A trademark is a specific legal identifier, a word, phrase, logo, or design that distinguishes your products or services from others in the marketplace. Brand equity and goodwill are intangible assets reflecting a company's favor with the public. 1.2. The interplay between business and brand, 15 minutes. Lesson: forming a company and registering a business name with a state or city is not the same as obtaining a federally registered trademark. Doing business as a company shields you from personal liability, and registering a business name is for administrative purposes, while a trademark protects your brand nationwide from use by competitors. 1.3. Choosing and forming a business entity, 30 minutes. Lesson: there are different types of business entities, such as sole proprietorships, LLCs, limited liability companies, and corporations. For you DIYers are there, you can form your company by visiting your state's Secretary of State website to file formation documents and the IRS website to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. However, it's crucial that your company maintain and be governed by current corporate governance documents like bylaws and operating agreements, which should be drafted by an attorney. Module 2, The Power of Trademarks, Hour 2. Topic: Understanding Trademark Protection. 2.1. The Trademark Distinctiveness Spectrum, 20 minutes. Lesson: the stronger a mark is, the easier it is to register and the broader its legal protection. 2.2. Common law versus registered trademarks, 20 minutes. Lesson: there are significant differences between rights you get automatically from using a mark, common law rights, and those you get from federal registration. Common law rights are limited to the specific geographic area where you use the mark, while a federal registration provides nationwide protection. 2.3. Why register your trademark? 20 minutes. Lesson: federal registration provides several benefits, such as having exclusive nationwide rights and the legal presumption of ownership. Registration can help a business reduce the risk of receiving a cease and desist letter from another business and protect against free riding by competitors. Module 3, The DIY Trademark Process and Beyond, Hour 3. Topic: Practical Steps and Ongoing Protection. 3.1. The DIY Clearance Search, 20 minutes. Lesson: before spending time and money on an application, a DIY clearance search is crucial. This involves checking the USPTO database, tests, general web searches, and social media platforms to see if anyone is already using a similar mark. 3.2. Filing the application, 20 minutes. Lesson: there are basic requirements for filing a trademark application with the USPTO, including a representation or drawing of the mark and a description of the goods or services. It's important to understand the difference between in-use and intent-to-use applications and the concept of having a bona fide intention to use in commerce. 3.3. Post-registration, monitoring and enforcement, 15 minutes. Lesson: a trademark is only as strong as its enforcement. After registration, a trademark owner must actively monitor the marketplace for unauthorized use of their mark by competitors and be prepared to take action, such as sending a cease and desist letter. A trademark owner must also file required maintenance documents with the USPTO to keep the registration active. 3.4. Key takeaways and quanda, 15 minutes. Lesson: choose a strong distinctive mark. Conduct a thorough search before investing. Register your mark for maximum protection. Actively monitor and enforce your rights.